When you think of dumplings, you probably picture something hot and steamy. But what if I told you this one's cold, flat, and made from beetroot? Sounds strange, but trust me, it's light, refreshing, and unbelievably tasty. Let's make beetroot dumplings. Let's start by gathering our fresh ingredients. Start by picking a large, firm beetroot. Look for one that's deep in color and free from blemishes. Peel off the skin, and then carefully slice it into ultra-thin, even rounds using a mandolin slicer. These delicate, paper-thin slices will act as your dumpling wrappers. So try to get them as thin and uniform as possible for the best texture and presentation. In a saucepan, bring 1½ cups of water and 1 tablespoon of sugar to a boil. Add the beetroot slices and let them simmer for a few minutes, just until soft and pliable, not mushy. Strain and lay them gently on a kitchen towel. Pat dry. Take 1 beetroot slice. Add a tiny dollop of basil pesto. A spoonful of feta cheese and a few chopped walnuts. Gently fold or seal with another beet slice like a sandwich. These are meant to be served cold, like a refreshing appetizer. There you go. No steaming, no dough. Just a beautiful, bold bite of flavor. Earthy beetroot, creamy feta, herby pesto, and that walnut crunch. It's like a mini flavor explosion. Make these for your next get-together or just when you want to surprise your taste buds. Let me know if you try it. I'd love to hear what you think.